What's up guys, my name is Sally and I'm the product manager for bikes here at Bowhead. Today we're going to show you how to use our new steering pin design. So the tools you'll need today is a 4mm Allen key, a 10mm Allen key, some blue Loctite, some red Loctite, and the new bits for the steering pin. The new steering pin has a key press fit in there, as well as a keyed slot in the suspension assembly, which prevents the steering pin from rotating, which increases the life of your bushings. The new steering pins also have an additional bolt to make them extra safe. We're super happy with this design because it's very secure and it allows riders to dial in the resistance of their steering. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna show you how to remove it. So with your 4mm Allen key, you're going to remove the top bolt, and then you can remove the preload cap. This is what you're gonna use to dial in the tension of your steering. And then using your 4mm Allen key again, going to remove the bolt on the bottom. And there you go, you've removed your steering pin. Now let's install one on a bike. Follow me. You're gonna take your steering pin, line the key up with the keyed slot, drop it in like so. So we're gonna get our red Loctite, our M6 bolt, and our washer. We're gonna install this in the bottom. We're going to torque this bolt to 10 Newton meters. So now we're going to install the preload cap. We recommend anywhere from 5 to 10 Newton meters, depending on how your steering feels. Some riders might like it a little tighter, some might like it a little more flowy feeling. You can also adjust it as your bushings wear in. So you can test out how it feels just by moving your wheel side to side, but then you'll also get a good feel for it once you take your bike out riding. Lastly, we're going to install the top M5 bolt. I'm gonna put blue Loctite on this one. And this bolt we're going to torque to 5 Newton meters. There we go. Now you can go ride your bike. Thanks guys. Let us know what you think. Leave your questions in the comments.